Hello, ladies. Can we get started, Lousje? Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today is a fun day. Me and Lousje just, well, funny enough, we're both wearing
Funnily enough,
Ozai N Ku, and look what arrived.
Ozai
3 boxes of Ozai N Ku.
We're so excited.
Yes, and we are getting into the routine of unveiling our unboxing with you. Lovely.
Because you like it so much.
Yes, it is fun. It is fun also to see. I missed the bag one, which I can't wait to see, and I missed the Zacket and Plover one. So,
and also, you bought this line without me because I was away.
yes, it was last September when she was in Holland.
I seem to be away a lot.
She's away a lot.
A few buys.
And I just bought Grisa's fall next year, yesterday in Toronto, without Lousje.
No, but you
I did call her. I like to send her some pictures and get her, just so she feels, you know.
Okay.
I'm just joking.
Okay.
We work very well off each other, and the other thing is what, him?
Look what a skinny little dog he has.
Yes, he lost about 20 pounds. 20 pounds of fur.
I know.
All right, let's get at it.
We
are going to open up
these
boxes. We're so excited. And we are both wearing from the fall winter line, which we loved. I have on the sweater, and Lousje has on the jacket, the coolest Ponte jacket.
Yeah, I love this jacket.
Let's see, it is stretchy plastic, which is recyclable, so that is good.
This is
Black. This is Tessa buying Ozai N Ku on her own.
Honest to
Black.
Oh my! And it's summer.
Oh my God, we're in trouble. I'm gonna get shot in a second.
Honest to God. Oh, I see some white coming out.
Oh, okay, ready?
Oh,
Here we go. What is this?
What do you
Hopefully it's something wicked, because it looks like we have a lot of it. There'll be like 10 black t-shirts for Tessa. And Kate. And Colleen, because we all wear black. Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
That's a beauty. That's a winner.
Oh, I like it.
Winner, chicken dinner. The girls are looking here.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my goodness. That'll be amazing to style up in a video. The fabric is to die for.
Yeah,
It feels
that's beautiful.
so nice.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
So that's why we have so many of those. We got, looks like little scarves here or something.
Oh, yes.
It's like, it always feels like Christmas. No, you know what? I bet you this is a shirt.
A shirt?
That has a crinkle or something
Oh,
to
a crinkle shirt.
it. And I had to get white
For me?
for Lousje.
Oh, I love that.
That is beautiful.
It
There's
feels
a
like a cotton linen.
Zipper in the back.
Oh my God, this is adorable. Let me see the
So
zipper.
beautiful. With pockets
Oh
here.
yes.
Tank top
and
style.
These cut out sleeves.
Very cool.
Love. Oh my, that is
Always important to see what the fabric content is.
very.
Viscose and poly, so that will wash beautifully.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay.
Ooh, what's this? Cute, eh?
Get out.
Yeah.
That is
So I
adorable.
remember now in this collection there was a lot of pieces to intermingle. So you can wear that over the tank top.
Yeah.
You can wear that over the dress.
Little pockets.
It's gonna be awesome to style. Look, Charlie likes it
He
too.
loves it.
Oh my God, there's so many fun things. I'm so excited. Girt.
Oh,
My God, look at that.
Oh, I love.
That's so wicked. Look
Oh,
at the
that's fantastic.
detail.
And then with that little jacket or that
The jacket or the
shirt.
off-white shirt. Look at, you can have a set here with
Oh,
the white
yeah.
underneath.
Oh man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's pants as well in this fabric.
Oh, that would be fantastic.
It's so tricky though because you buy it so far ahead. Yeah.
Oh my God. Those are the same. That's the same design as the winter one. This is beautiful.
Beautiful. So again with the jacket.
Sculpted hem. Did
Yeah.
you see that?
Yeah.
Very nice. So far, so good.
It's all black and white though.
But that's it.
There is color.
That
I
is
remember there is
gorgeous,
color.
black and white.
Lousje said no more treats for Charlie.
No.
He's on a diet again.
again.
I think
Okay,
this
what
is
do
a
we
tank
have
top.
here?
So again, tank top to go with the to coordinate with everything.
Yeah.
The fabric is like to die for.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Feel that? It's like a
Yes.
soft viscose bamboo.
Beautiful.
So be stunning under the jacket with
Yeah,
the pants, with the skirt.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful.
How nice to have a knit in the summer, you know?
Okay, here's some color with black.
Fuchsia.
I'm so bad. I tried to think of everyone else when I'm buying.
It doesn't really
It
work,
doesn't
does
really
it?
work that way. Oh my god!
Oh, that's the same design in the fuchsia black. Beautiful.
You guys love it?
Love.
Love. Oh my god. So nice and light. This
Yeah.
is going to be amazing.
Yeah.
So by now, hopefully we'll have everything online. So you can check in the Ozai N Ku section and also in our new arrivals. But we will be doing videos on everything just so you can see. I know there was a really cool denim collection in this.
Yeah.
This.
A denim
There
dress,
is
right?
more coming though, so we've only got half. Oh my god. Okay, you're gonna die. Black again, but beautiful print.
Oh my goodness. That is absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So that's an XL.
Big slits. Oh,
Beautiful.
that's beautiful. Beautiful.
It's
Oh,
almost like a 10 cell.
yeah. Very nice.
And ladies, I'm wearing the Rachel jeans from yoga today, so they are so comfy. I love them. They're really comfortable.
Very nice.
I just cut the bottom and I flip it here
Yeah.
just to
Very
give it
nice.
some texture. But that's going to be a beautiful summer dress with the little,
Detail under the bust.
yeah.
Do you have more in that print?
We do. There is more in that print.
What's that?
Oh, I think this is a beautiful white top. I'm
I'm
going
glad
out of
you-
my box of
Yeah,
black.
I told you to buy
But
white.
It's
White,
so classic.
Show,
Oh my
please.
god.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Look at that. So it's got two different fabrics.
Oh my god. A knit.
This
and
is like a t-shirt knit and then almost
Oh,
like
yeah.
a crinkly,
Look what a
Cotton.
beautifully unique design.
I know. That's going to be stunning on. We'll get it.
Little cap
We'll get it
sleeve.
steamed up. Ruby's coming in this weekend to help steam.
Oh man.
Look at how stunning.
Stunning.
But we have a lot of outfits in this, so it'll be really fun to see it all come together.
Yeah.
I think this is the top. There's a beautiful beige. Oh, what is this? It feels like $1,000,000.
Oh yeah.
Ooh,
Oh yeah.
look
Oh.
at that dress.
Look at the back, how unique. Quite a bit longer. You see that? And it's narrow at the bottom. Oh, look at the neckline too.
Yeah, very.
What size is that?
That's an extra small,
Yeah.
so that's good.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yes.
In
Yes.
fuchsia.
Which can go over the dress as well, ladies, if you want to cover your arms or have a little something else. Oh, this is nice too. It's a lot of black and white with a splash of color.
Yes, I
Oh,
love
it's so
this.
beautiful.
Look at that.
It's a box, very boxy style. So I think there's 1, 2, 3.
Oh my
So
god.
it's gonna,
this is amazing.
yeah.
Amazing.
Last one. Lucia's got Lucia's name on it.
Oh yes. Oh
Look at that.
my God.
Stunning with a pair of
I
black or white
love
linen
it.
pants.
Tessa,
Woo!
you did very well.
All
Very
right.
well. Awesome.
I think this is only half of it, ladies, so keep an eye out, but we are excited to get it all unpacked, steamed, and on the website for you.
And then we'll do a few videos.
And then we'll do a few videos, absolutely. It'll be so much fun. We also, the jacket and plover I'm loving, and those purses are stunning. Great for travel, so it's so fun. Hope you like our little unboxing videos.
Yes.
And we've lost Charlie, but it's such a beautiful day out. I think he's saying, take me out for
I
a walk.
know. I know.
I'm
It's
overheating in my beautiful sweater
gorgeous.
here.
All right.
All right,
Okay.
ladies.
I love his.
Have an
his
amazing
design.
day.